Grilled cheese. A simple yet beloved sandwich, the grilled cheese is made by placing a slice of cheese between two pieces of bread, then grilling or toasting it until golden and crispy. While the cheese itself can vary, the classic version typically uses American or cheddar. This sandwich has deep roots in American comfort food culture, often associated with childhood memories and quick, satisfying meals. The combination of the warm, melted cheese with the crunchy exterior makes it a universally adored classic, especially when served with a side of tomato soup. BLT. The BLT, standing for bacon, lettuce, and tomato, is one of the most iconic sandwiches in the world. It's made by layering crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, and sliced tomato between two slices of toasted bread, often with a spread of mayonnaise. The BLT is known for its simplicity yet bold flavors, with the crispy bacon contrasting perfectly with the fresh, juicy tomatoes and crunchy lettuce. Originating in the early 20th century, this sandwich has stood the test of time, maintaining its place as a staple in cafes and homes alike, providing a savory, satisfying meal. Club sandwich. The club sandwich is a multi-layered creation, traditionally consisting of 3 slices of toasted bread. It's filled with layers of turkey or chicken, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and mayo. Often cut into quarters and held together with toothpicks, the club sandwich is a hearty, satisfying choice, typically served with fries or chips. Its origins date back to the late 19th century, and it's believed to have been created at country clubs in the United States, giving it a more elevated, hearty appeal that still resonates in many restaurants today. Reuben. The Reuben sandwich is a unique, flavorful combination of corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Russian dressing, all sandwiched between slices of rye bread. It's then grilled until the bread is crispy and the cheese is melted. This sandwich stands out because of its bold, tangy flavors, brought together by the sourness of the sauerkraut and the richness of the corned beef. It has roots in both Jewish American and deli cultures, often served as a beloved choice in delis across North America. The Reuben is a perfect blend of savory and tangy, making it a standout in the sandwich world. Pulled pork sandwich. The pulled pork sandwich is a Southern classic, typically made by slow-cooking pork shoulder until tender, then shredding the meat and slathering it in barbecue sauce. It's often served on a soft bun with coleslaw as a topping. This sandwich is rich in flavor, combining the smoky, savory pork with a tangy, creamy coleslaw. Its roots lie in the southern United States, where slow-cooked barbecue is a beloved tradition, making it a symbol of Southern comfort food and a popular choice for casual dining. Chicken salad sandwich. The chicken salad sandwich consists of cooked, shredded chicken mixed with a creamy dressing, often made from mayonnaise, mustard, and herbs, along with ingredients like celery and onions. The mixture is then spread on bread, making for a refreshing and satisfying meal. This sandwich is lighter compared to others, but still hearty, and has been a staple in American lunchboxes and picnics for generations. Its versatility allows for endless variations, adding fruits like grapes or nuts like almonds for extra texture. Veggie sandwich. A veggie sandwich is a vegetarian delight packed with a variety of fresh vegetables, such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, often complemented by spreads like hummus or avocado. This sandwich is perfect for those looking for a lighter yet filling option, offering a healthy balance of crunch and flavor. While veggie sandwiches have been around for ages, they've gained significant popularity in recent years due to the rise of plant-based diets, making them an essential part of the modern sandwich landscape. Egg salad sandwich. The egg salad sandwich is made by mashing hard-boiled eggs and mixing them with mayonnaise, mustard, and seasonings, then spreading the mixture between 2 slices of bread. This classic comfort food is often garnished with lettuce or pickles for added texture. Known for its rich, creamy flavor, the egg salad sandwich has been a go-to lunch option in many homes and cafeterias, offering a quick, satisfying, and inexpensive meal. Its simplicity and versatility make it an enduring favorite. Panini. The panini is a warm Italian-style sandwich, typically made by pressing a variety of ingredients like meats, cheeses, and vegetables between 2 slices of Italian bread, then grilling it to perfection. The key to a panini is the crisp golden exterior and the melty, flavorful interior. While its exact origins are debated, the panini became widely popular in the United States in the 1990s when cafes began offering it as a gourmet alternative to regular sandwiches. Its versatility and ability to combine diverse ingredients make it a favorite among many, especially those looking for a more refined sandwich experience. French dip. The French dip sandwich is a classic deli favorite, made by placing thinly sliced roast beef on a baguette or hoagie roll, often served with a side of au jus for dipping. The sandwich is known for its juicy, tender beef and the rich dipping sauce that adds an extra layer of flavor. Originating from Los Angeles in the early 20th century, it has become a staple in American delis and is especially loved for its hearty and flavorful simplicity. The French dip is often enjoyed as a satisfying lunch or dinner option, paired with fries.